YouTube. Are you ready to dance like Shakira, Shakira? So in this video I'm going to teach you a combination that she does in her Hips Don't Lie video, so I hope you enjoy it. We're dancing to original music right now by Tribal from the Trap, but you can go and look it up and practice whenever you like, okay? So before I teach you, please hit subscribe and follow and like and all that good stuff before I teach you, please. And then I'll teach you, okay? So our first move that we do is a Maya, or that she does, is a Maya, and actually it's one of Shakira's favourite moves. So if you're brand new to belly dance, you haven't learned before, this is the name of this movement which she does. It's called a Maya. If you belly danced already, you already know that. Okay, so we're going to learn that first. I'm going to teach you a combination. So the Maya is a figure of eight that I teach in my figure of eight series on YouTube. But if you want to learn properly in all the details and all the billions of variations that I have and stylizations of it, unique and signature to my style as well, come to my school, I will teach you. But let's begin. So I'm going to assume you've already learned the Maya, and I'm going to go straight in. If you haven't, you can just try to follow me. You're drawing a figure of eight with your hips like this. Okay? And your tummy is engaged, and your chest is lifted, and your shoulders are down, and your neck is long, and you are envisioning you are Shakira, Shakira. So get the Maya going. In the Mayas, we use our obliques. These muscles here, this waistline, it's really important that you understand how to connect with that. But I teach you that all in my school. Let's keep going. Put your legs together, please. Yes, you can join me live on Zoom in my classes from anywhere in the world, and we will have recording access afterwards if you wish. And if you can't make it live, again, you can watch the recordings. Otherwise, you can have just the recording access only, which doesn't include live classes. Live classes are excellent because I give you feedback. I meet you, I talk to you, I give you advice, tips, all that good stuff. Otherwise, you can have just recording access on my website, or you can come to the studio in person, classes or private lessons, okay? Anyway, let's continue. So, do your figure of eight. Now what she does, is she also does a ribcage slide, like a bit of a lock with her Maya. So, chest lifted, shoulders down, long neck, and slide the chest from one side to the other. Tummy is strong, okay? My knees are bent, and you're not sticking your bum out, and you try to keep your head in the middle, okay? So it's called an isolation, okay? And again, we use these muscles here to really draw the slide. Slide it from one side to the other. So this is a combination video teaching you how to dance like Shakira from Hips Don't Lie video, okay? So, and then after you finish learning this, see if you can follow the video and see if you can recognize the combination and dance it. Turn yourself into Shakira. Okay, and from here what you're going to do is you're going to add this on with the hip. So when I go over, there's a bit of a lock. When I say lock, you contract the muscles, but again, I teach you how to do that in my school. But bring it over, and as you do that, your chest goes the opposite way. So hip and ribs go away from each other, okay? Be careful you don't go too intense because you'll pull a muscle. We don't want you to do that, okay? So then we're gonna get the hands in the hair, out of the way, drop the shoulders, posture, and then 1, change it, 2, change it, 3, 4, 5, okay, 6. All right, let's do it again. Lock, lock, and then see if you can add on head towards the Maya hip. Okay, so I'm going to look towards it. So it would be 1, 2, hold it there. Should we only do it twice? You keep the hip up, and then we're going to shake it on. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, ready? So, follow me. 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Stay there. So now you're looking at towards this hip. You're going to throw your hands down like this. And at the same time, you're going to throw your hair to the side. Do a hair toss. Okay, and then you're just going to groove. Now in my school, we call this the ummi. There's lots of different versions of this actually. And again, I teach it in my school. Loads of variations, loads of versions, but it's just a hip circle. So if you've never learnt the circles before, again in my circle series, I'm pretty sure I teach this on YouTube. But you're drawing an interior hip circle where you use all your muscles. I teach you in my school exactly what muscles you're using. So now just go along with the circles. All right. Now, when you do the flick, pa, you just circle the hips. Shakira, Shakira. I keep rotating towards the back actually. And as I do that, I raise my arms, I turn my hands into fists, which is very tribal from the trap actually. Tribal from the trap is my style, tribal fusion. So we have this, and as we go around, we just groove. So you're grooving your hip circles as you turn. Yes, groove it. Now, true Shakira style, we're not trying to keep the chest really still. We let the chest respond to the hips. So it's not like I'm trying to just do the hips without the chest. I let my chest move, okay? We're having a party, we're grooving. And in the video you'll see, there's a part where she's partying in the street. So you're just gonna dance and let it go. So we have 5, let's go from the top actually. Ready, 6, 7, and 1. Lock, 2, lock, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Hair 1, 2. Shakira, Shakira, keep turning, turning, groove, groove, bring it back. Okay, then you're gonna frame. One hand, back hand on your head, and the other hand is kind of lazy behind you, pull back slightly. Now, if you have, this is more advanced movement, but again, I teach this in my school. If you've learned it, upwards undulations, tucking and rolling up, tucking and rolling up. Yeah? There's loads of different ways to do it. Again, I teach you that in my school. If you've never learned it, just groove, just vibe. Vibe is to feel, okay? So basically feel it. Make it feel good for you and your body. It doesn't have to be exactly this, okay? So when we do it with music in a second, you can try it for yourself. Are you ready? All right, get ready into position. Let's do 4 more. And then you can go and try and see if you can find it and dance along with it. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, Shakira, Shakira. Groove it, party it. Party, party, party. Roll, roll. You can improvise this. You can go into chest circles if you want. There's no rules, do what you want. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna crank up the music a little bit and we're gonna do it a few times in a row, okay? Get ready, have a quick sip of water if you like. Let's shimmy while we're waiting for the beat to kick in. So Shakira. So put your own flavour on top. Put your hands in your hair. Get ready. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Shake, 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 shake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shakira. Bring it back. Place. Hey. And fast if you can. Otherwise, do your own move. Let's get ready to go again. Enjoy it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Party. Party over here. Party over there. And roll it up. Roll it up. Option 2 faster. Okay, 2 more times. And that's it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and. Hey! Party over here. Party over there. Roll. Again, last time. Ready? Quick grip. 6, 7, hey! Up. Up. Shake, 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 hey! Oh! Oh! Party time! Roll! Roll! Faster! Hey! Thank you, YouTube. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll do some more as well. Please remember to hit subscribe and like. Follow all that good stuff. I look forward to seeing you very soon.